Can the vast universe mirror the intricate details of our human body? This question sets us on a journey into the mesmerizing world of macrocosm and microcosm, two concepts that have fascinated thinkers across millennia. In this universe of ours, the macrocosm, with its galaxies, stars, and celestial bodies performing their complex cosmic ballet, we often perceive ourselves, humans, as insignificant. Yet it is within this grand macrocosm where we find a mirror to the microcosm, our human body. Our bodies, these miniature universes, are marvels of interconnecting systems and processes, each functioning in a delicate balance, much like the cosmic order. However, as a species, we often see ourselves as separate or even superior to this natural order. Such a view risks disrupting the delicate balance within and beyond us. Our roles and actions in this ecosystem, be it nurturing our bodies with food and exercise or impacting the planet with our lifestyle choices, have profound effects. These ripple through the symphony of life, altering the melody. Our immune system, like a vigilant cosmic guardian, goes about its repairing and defending duties. It's a testament to the world inside us, functioning as an intricate symphony of interdependent processes, each element crucial to the whole. As humans, we are not separate from this symphony, but an integral part of it. Now consider this. What if we view Earth as a macrocosm? A macrocosmic body where all life, including us humans, are intricately woven to form an interdependent network. We are akin to cells within this body, our actions and choices affecting the health and balance the whole. The principles of balance and interdependence in nature reflect the concept of karma in Hindu philosophy. This ancient wisdom suggests that our actions shape our reality, and what we give, we receive in return. This law of cause and effect governs not only our personal lives, but also our collective existence within the larger web of life. As we delve deeper into the dance between the macrocosm and microcosm, we find a universe where everything is interconnected and interdependent, echoing the profound symmetry of life. With this insight, we are led to question our existence and free will in the upcoming video, and whether the human superiority we perceive is nothing but an illusion, a deviation from the natural order. After all, are we not a part of the cosmic dance, mirroring the intricate patterns across scales, from the infinitely small to the unfathomably large? Have you ever thought about how all life on Earth is intricately connected, forming a vast, interdependent network? It's a grand tapestry woven with threads of existence that span from the microscopic to the cosmic, each thread crucial to the whole. The Earth, our home, operates as a single living entity, a macrocosm reflecting the microcosm of our bodies. Just as the organs in our body, each with its specific function, work together to sustain us, so too do the countless forms of life on Earth. Every species, every individual plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the whole. The plants, the animals, the weather, the soil, all are interconnected in this great dance of life. The oxygen we breathe, a gift from the green leaves of plants, and the carbon dioxide they take in return, are but one example of this profound symbiosis. Life, death, decomposition, and rebirth, these are the beats of the rhythmic cycle that drives our existence. This interdependence mirrors the law of cause and effect, a concept deeply rooted in philosophy, science, and spirituality. Our actions shape our reality, and what we give, we receive in return. This law governs not only our personal lives, but also our collective existence within the larger web of life. When one part of this system malfunctions, much like an autoimmune disease attacking the body, the repercussions are felt throughout the entire organism. A forest fire, an oil spill, even our own actions can send ripples of change through this delicate network, reminding us of our interconnectedness and responsibility. In this grand ecosystem, we are akin to cells in a body, each playing our part to uphold the balance and health of the whole. We are not separate from nature, but a part of it, our existence dependent on the health of the entire system. When one part of this system malfunctions, the repercussions are felt throughout the entire organism. In this grand scheme of life, where do we humans fit in? We often find ourselves grappling with a sense of superiority, forgetting our humble yet significant place within the ecosystem. The truth is, we are akin to the microorganisms that sustain us, essential yet part of a much larger whole. This perception of ourselves as separate or dominant over nature and even over other humans is a deviation from the natural order. It's a dangerous illusion that can lead to imbalance and disharmony. We're not separate entities, but interconnected parts of a greater living organism. Our actions, our choices, have profound effects on this intricate web of life. We must recognize our responsibility to preserve the balance of nature, to treat all forms of life with respect, because what affects one affects us all. In the grand scheme of life, we are all playing our part, and no one is superior to another. We are essential, yet part of a much larger whole.